Jason here from Instinct Ready, and today I'm going to show you how to make a very simple, very effective face mask using some everyday household items. Now, many of you are out there buying up all the surgical masks, buying up all the N95 masks. Are you working in the medical field? What? No? Quit buying them, save it for the ones who need it. Now, this is the mask that we're going to make today. Very simple and effective. Let's get started. So this is what we're going to need to make our mask. You will need a bandana or a similar fabric. We'll need 2 hair elastics or rubber bands, 5 paper clips, one which we have straightened out and turned into a piece of wire, some tape, specifically tape that will stick to the fabric, and finally we have a Honeywell FPR10 air filter,
which can filter out particles as small as 0.3 microns, which includes viruses.
To begin, take your bandana and fold it in half. Place the paper clip, which we have straightened out, at the top of the bandana centerfold and secure with tape. Fold the bandana down 2 or 3 times. Make sure to keep the paper clip towards the top of the bandana as you fold it down. Then we are going to fold up the bottom corners into a long triangle. Loop in the hair elastics onto the bandana. Next, tuck the air filter inside the mask, making sure the airflow direction is pointing towards your face.
Usually the side with the wires.
Fold the ends of the bandana over the filter. Tape down the loose ends of the bandana, and using the remaining 4 paper clips, secure the bandana at the ear loops. Grip the bandana by the ear loops and pull it onto your face, looping it over your ears. Press down on the nose bridge wire, molding the mask to your face and creating a seal. So there you have it, everyone. Super simple, super easy, and it takes just 5 minutes. And we hope that this design will help you and your family. But remember, by making your own mask, you're going to help our medical responders that are out there on the front lines as well. And that's why we're starting our very own campaign to make it, don't take it. Make a mask, don't take a mask. Spread the love, don't spread the virus. So to qualify and to get in part of this campaign, we ask that you take a selfie with your new mask, tag us on Instagram or Facebook with hashtag #MakeItDon'tTakeIt, and that'll qualify you for a discount at InstinctReady.com. Thank you very much. As always, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.